Hey all, today we're on Windows 11 and we're looking at how to install Google Chrome. Let's get into it. So just like Windows 10, we're going to want to start off by opening up Microsoft Edge. It should be pre-installed with every fresh install of Windows. When you get these messages, personally, I just go start without my data. I don't need it. We're going to uncheck that, continue and confirm. Continue without Google data, uncheck. Perfect. We just want to get to where we can use this as a browser. So let's go ahead and type in Google Chrome. There it is. Make sure it's the official Google website. So we'll click on that. And we're going to click Download Chrome. Once this finishes downloading up here, go ahead and click Open File. Go ahead and accept this and click yes. We do want to run the installer. We can now close out of our Edge window. Perfect. Now that this is done installing, it should go ahead and open up. Once it's opened up, you will get an option to sign in if you want to back up things like your favorite websites, your passwords, any of the things Google allows you to save to a Google Chrome profile. For now, I'm going to go don't sign in. I do want to set this as my default browser because this is the browser I normally use. So we'll go set as default. And then we want to click this set as default. Cool. So this just opened up a settings window. We clicked set as default. We can now close out of this. Chrome is telling you how it has enhanced privacy, yada yada. Go ahead and click got it. And now we have Google Chrome installed. Go ahead and full screen that. Perfect. We are all good to go. Let me know if this video helped you out. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.